Before you toss a broken item around your home, have you first thought about fixing it? It could save you money and it could reduce waste. King County EcoConsumer Tom Watson is back. And Tom, people think repairing anything is a lost art nowadays. You say that's not true, and it's worth doing.
No, and we're going to show some common items that are easily repairable different ways, like vacuum cleaners and sewing machines, and also more uncommon items like this air hockey table that Shannon
O'Donnell, she called you. She said it was a Christmas present several years ago. It's been sitting broken, right, boys? Yeah. For a few years.
This is Jack and Nick, Shannon's sons. They're going to demo it for us.
Those poor boys, they weren't able to play it, and now you guys fixed it.
Yes, we picked this up from Shannon. She brought it here, and one of our repair event fixers, Bill Roberts, analyzed it. And I'll just quickly, she'll grab that and I'll lift it up.
Okay.
What was the matter with it?
Was it an easy fix?
It took him less than an hour.
Shan, did you hear that? It took less than an hour. It's been sitting for years in your basement.
Well, you never know. Who would know? I mean, most people just throw it away. It's so great she saved it.
What was wrong with
and
it?
The fan wasn't working because the plastic housing was stuck up against the fan.
Okay.
So he kind of did shims, and so it's not rubbing against the fan, so now it has better airflow.
All right, congrats,
So
now it looks small to you guys now. You were little when you had it. Give it a whirl. See if it
Jack
works.
And Nick, yeah. That's awesome.
And you can turn it on and
oh, I hear the air. That's an improvement.
Right. They fixed the fan.
Wow.
Well done.
So
well
we're going to
done.
demo it over here while we're talking
Tom.
about these other items. We have another cool demo. So
Sewing machines.
So vacuum cleaners and sewing machines, people don't realize there are still, that's one of the few items where there are still repair shops that fix these things. In King County alone, there are about a dozen shops that fix vacuum cleaners or sewing machines. This happens to be an old one that our friend Anna, this was passed down, who we work with, this was passed down to her from her grandmother. And then she recently had it repaired at City Vacuum and Sewing in Shoreline. So this is about 40 years old, and it shows how repairable it is. And then we also wanted to. This is a robotic vacuum
Roomba.
that we have repaired these at our repair events.
Wow.
And I kind of thought these were a gimmick, but I just wanted to demo this.
Oh, please.
And the boys will like this too.
We're running out of time, but we want to show people.
Okay.
Oh my gosh! It's gonna fall off the table.
So, no,
it's gonna break
it won't
again.
fall off the table. Because it's designed, it's robotic, so it's like if it goes to your stairs in your home, it won't fall. So well, everybody thinks that. They thought that over there too.
We're gonna have to fix the.
Okay, and so Bridget over there is running it on her phone. She put the app on her phone. Okay, start it up again, Bridget.
Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. You know, this is crazy. Okay.
So these are actually pretty good for dog hair and dust and things like that. And so we have repaired these before at our repair events, the new and the old.
Lesson learned, whether it's a child's toy or a robotic vacuum or a 40-year-old trusty vacuum, try repairing it.
Thanks for demoing the air hockey table.
Jack,
We're glad
Nick,
that you guys can play again.
Thank you so much, you guys. And of course, thanks so much for stopping by, Tom. For more information about these ideas, go to our website, KOMOnews.com.